Hobbii Metallico is a lovely yarn that really catches the eyes with its beautiful satin shine. And you might know other yarn qualities with similar metallic effects, but Metallico is soft like no other. This means that you get a nice shiny effect without compromising on comfort. Metallico is made from a shiny, satin-like thread of polyamide that's encased with a fluffy, light brushed mix of merino wool and soft acrylic. It can be used for the whole family, including those with more delicate skin, since the yarn doesn't itch and it's soft and really lovely. If you want a truly unique result in your next knitting or crochet project, try Metallico because it's the perfect yarn for the job. You can easily make the loveliest hats, scarves, and other accessories that will get the most beautiful shine that makes Metallico really different from all the other yarns.